Special greetings, my dear students. Today we will learn the HTML. Okay, already in online class we've seen few. Uh, Now we will see the HTML. Okay. Now first of all, see here introduction to HTML. Already I mentioned very clearly HTML. Okay, HTML we are using to create a web page. Okay, whatever web pages we are seeing now, that all web pages are created by HTML. Okay, wait a while. See, only this HTML web page is not created. Okay, example CSS. Okay, cascading style sheet, this is used for design. Okay, and HTML. Okay, and PHP. After JavaScript, this all are means Python script. Okay, script languages are there simply. So this all are the language we are using to create a web page. Okay, this all are the language we are using used for create a web page. Whatever web pages we are seeing, example Facebook. Okay, Google, any web page. Okay, whatever web pages we are seeing, it was developed by only what, this HTML. Okay, now see here, hypertext markup language. What is meant by this hypertext? We can divide. Okay, in this place, hyper represent. Okay, so this hyper represent a link. Okay, hyper represent what, link. Hypertext means whatever text we are seeing, it has a link. Example, when you're opening Google, if you're searching anything in a Google, blue color font will come. When you're moving your mouse cursor near to that, it will change like a hand arrow, correct? So that is what link. If when we are clicking that particular link, means particular text, means particular text hold the link of different page. Okay, now what is meant by markup? Markup language is nothing but it is a tags. If you are going for C++ or Python, any language, it has a rules and syntax. Okay, it has a rules and syntax are there, but in only HTML we have to learn only the tag. If you know the each tag and its uses, we can able to develop a web page. Okay, we can able to develop a web page. Now next, editor. First, how we will edit, means how we can able to create a web page. If you want to create a web page, if you don't know programming, sir, I don't know any program, I don't know how to I don't know any HTML tag, I don't know CSS. Okay, bootstrap also the for designing, I don't know that all things, but I want to develop a web page, how I can able to do? So this three. Okay, WISIWIG. Okay, after Dreamweaver, after Google Web Weaver, this all are the software. You just design a web page, coding will build automatically. Example. Okay, now this is a web page. Okay, this is a web page. Now if you want to insert one image, okay, this is a image. Okay, this is a image and this is a tables. This is what, tables. Now if you want to insert image, we have to write the coding. HTML tag we have to write. For insert a cell also we have to write the tags coding. Okay, so for this all we are using Notepad, WordPad, and this software we can able to write the code also, you can able to design also. So for this output we have to open a Notepad or WordPad and we have to write the coding. Okay, after writing a coding, okay, after writing a coding, if coding is correct, we will get the output like this. Okay, we have to write the coding, but this three software, okay, no need coding, no need code. Means a tags no need. No need of tags. Just design. Just if we design, automatically coding part will develop background. Means just insert image, just to insert a table like MS Word, how we are doing. We will insert and coding will generate automatically. Okay, coding will generate automatically. Just we have to design. Just you design, coding will generate automatically in this HTML editor here, this solver. In this place we can write the code also, but nowadays maximum people what they are doing, writing code simple web page, it will take at least 30,000. Okay, at least 30,000 means coding lines it will take. Lines we have to write the coding, but when we are using this all things, just to design, coding part will generate automatically backside. Okay, and out of that HTML editor, text editors are there, notepad, wordpad, and this software we can able to design also. If you want, we can able to write the coding also. Okay, regarding this, if you search in internet you will get. Okay, just in Dreamweaver rental, just you design, just you insert image, automatically code window will be there, background. In code window, if you insert image here, coding will automatically it will create. Okay, for the table, so table code automatically it will create, means automatically it will create the coding part. Next, browser. My dear students, whatever HTML program we are developing, HTML is a web page. Web page we can able to open by only the browser. What are the browser? Okay, example Chrome. Chrome, after Microsoft Edge browser, after Safari. Okay, after this, what we can say, mm, Opera Mini. Opera Mini, UC Mini, Mozilla Firefox. This all are the browser. Okay, this all are the browsers available, but the HTML tags. Okay, already I told what is mean by tags in online class. Okay, this HTML tags. Okay, few tags are there. It will not support in Opera Mini. It will not support, means all whatever tags are there, all tags will not support in a one browser. Some browser it will not support few tags. Okay, and few browser will not support that particular tag. So if it is like that, you written all the tags correctly, but it will not open in a Opera Mini. So means whatever you written, it is not wrong. In Opera Mini browser it is not supporting, so you can try another browser, it will open. Okay, now next thing, create a HTML document. How we will create a HTML file? First, open, first step. Okay, open Notepad or WordPad. Means we can open Notepad or WordPad. Open it, create a file. After, means write a tags and all. After writing tag, you have to save the file with file name. Example, if I am giving file name rough. Rough is a file name. After writing the file name, you should mention what? Dot HTML. Okay, rough.html you should mention. Example, means while creating one sample program, I will show you that time. Okay, this is compulsory. After tags, what is a tag? uh, Now see here, simple program, HTML, uh, head, title I am closing here, and the head I am closing here. Now body. Now this is a simple program. Now in this place, My dear students, this is called opening tag. Opening tag. Okay, opening tag, opening tag, wherever slash is not there, okay, wherever this background slash is not there, we may say that all thing, this is a opening tag. This is opening tag, wherever the slash, okay. If you are opening HTML file, we should complete with the closing tag, okay, this closing tag, okay. Okay, and we should complete with what, closing tag, okay. Now see here, here title is opened, this is what, open, and this is a close, this is a close, closing tag, okay. And what is this here, body, okay, here this is a what, closing tag, closing tag, closing tag, this also, okay. So opening tag means it not has a slash, and if the slash is having, that is called what, closing tag. And this all tags, okay, whatever tags, all tags, we are telling what, element, all tags we are telling it is a element, okay. Whatever tags we are seeing in a HTML file, that is called element. Sir, then what is the attribute? Example, few are there, font, align, okay. Now you know well, this is opening tag and this is what, closing tag. In this place, inside of the tag, if you are giving any value, okay, inside of the tag, if you are giving any value, this one value, attribute means value, okay. Attribute means what, it mentioned the value, attribute means a value, attribute denotes value, and elements, okay, all tags present in HTML. And what is it meant by tag? This is called tag, okay, opening tag and closing tag, okay. Here is a closing tag, we may say, okay, mm, opening tag is there, we may say opening tag as a on tag, and we may say closing tag off tag. In HTML, it is compulsory, you should open the tag and you should close the tag, okay. And one more thing is there, in HTML few tags are there, it does not has a off tag, okay. Example, the tag we may say it is a empty tag, empty tag. What is in with that, it does not have uh, means only on tag, it has only on tag, it does not have closing tag. Example, br is used for break, HR used for horizontal row. Sir, what is this all? While creating a file, I will tell, okay. Okay, now see here, after this, what is the rules to write HTML program? First, whenever you are writing a file, you should start with the HTML document, okay. Root, this is a root, it means it denotes this is a HTML file, okay. Now if you see this all tags, okay, if you see this all tags, My dear, if you see here, okay, from this HTML to here, if you see all the tags, okay, opening tag, closing tag, correct? After that, what I opened? Head opened, head closed, correct? After title, correct? After body means it is in order. Example means it is like that. If I open bold, if I open bold tag, I must close, and I am closing bold tag here. If I open in between P tag under the bold, so it is compulsory we should mention P. Means that this is in order. Correct? This is in order. This is correct. Okay, this is correct. But it should not be like this. If it is like this, P, bold, okay, bold, P. Yes, of course, correct. But it not mean we should not mention this is wrong. Okay, P. Okay, P denotes paragraph. B bold. Okay, and now P over, and now you are closing B means it is not in order. See whether it is in order. No. So this is a wrong. Means whatever tags we are writing, it should be in order way like this. Okay, means if you are opening here, you should close it. In between, if you are opening, you should close it. Means it should be like this. Okay, this is a correct way, and it should not be like this. Okay, now you opened one tag, now opening one tag, closing here, and another tag opening, closing here, opening, closing. So this is a wrong method. Okay, if you open inside of one tag, you should close between that only. Okay, now next. Okay, after structure we may see, means this is a structure. Okay, so this is a structure here. Whatever things you are seeing, it is a structure. Okay, my dear students, at last, okay, next period you will learn. Okay, means tomorrow you will learn CSS, cascading style sheet. Okay, after HTML sample program, style sheet. After in this, how we can able to write inline, okay, external, means types are there, how we can able to write that, all things you will see. Plus you will learn, I will show you sample HTML program. Okay, how to create sample HTML program. Okay, my dear students, HTML is a, you should know at least 40 tags. Okay, at least 40 tags. That time only we can able to develop a web page. Okay, and you should know the use of the tags. Okay, tomorrow we will see this is for only styling purpose. In HTML it denotes structure of the web page. Okay, just we can able to use for structure, but this one is used for design. Here also we may design, but not much. If we are going for more, we may use CSS. Sir, I want to more, then you can go for the bootstrap. Okay, but this all things we will mention in where? Only in HTML. This all things we will mention in only HTML. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thanks for watching. Thank you.